A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke. The people were filled with expectation, and all were asking in their hearts whether John might be the Christ. John answered them all, saying, I am baptizing you with water, but one mightier than I is coming. I am not even worthy to loosen the thongs of his sandals. He will baptize you with the Holy Spirit and with fire. After all the people had been baptized, and Jesus also had been baptized, and while he was praying, heaven was opened, and the Holy Spirit descended upon him in bodily form like a dove, and a voice came from heaven, You are my beloved Son. With you I am well pleased. My dear friends, the good news of our salvation.